Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this external CD and DVD reader, writer, rewriter. Brand is Tengertang and it works plug and play for most computers like normal Windows, Mac OS. And so if you're in the same situation as me, still having a lot of CD-ROMs, DVDs which you have burned with some old data, family videos, and still want to be able to access them in the future, then I think that could be a great option. And so here's what we get. Nicely packaged, nicely protected. Comes also with a small instructions manual, but it's very easy to use. Again, plug and play. And also remove this protection here. And then it looks really nice, absolutely stylish. And what I really like as well is that we have already this attached cable here, and it's not only USB-A as we see here, because that's just a plug or an adapter, USB-C to USB-A standard adapter, which you can use also for other cables, because this thing is originally USB-C, and that's what we most have currently on most of the computers. And so I'm going to test if I can still read these CD-ROMs, DVDs, maybe even burn some stuff. Okay, so let's see how this works. I do this for the first time, so there's no trick, no nothing. Let's see what's going to happen on this Windows 11 installation. Okay, nothing happening, also no error. Is there some light? I don't see any light. What's really nice that we have this anti-skid soft rubber ring here for a secure stand. We have this button here to eject DVD, but that's the only button, so it looks like it has power. So I'm adding this DVD here just inside. Let's see. Oh yeah, it just sucked it in. What's really nice is that it's rather quiet compared to my other drives. It's definitely less noisy, and we have some auto start information, so I can just click here, can select what to do and get the menu here. And so I can click here. That's a video I've made more than 30 years ago, and it's playing right away. I mean, of course, I've put it on the DVD-ROM about 20 years ago, and still playing right away. And you can see when I go along here in the timeline, it moves almost instantly. I mean, every time when I click here, it has to reposition the laser, and it does it almost immediately, while with some other players I had to wait a really long time. Here I click, and no matter if it's forward or backward, it does it almost instantly. And to eject, I can just hit here. Takes just 2 or 3 seconds, and I have my DVD back. And so these are DVDs with some files on it. Yeah, really nice how it reads these DVDs. And as soon as the drive has detected all the files, it opens the Explorer file and shows me everything, all the files here. You can see 20 years old files. And when I double click, starts pretty much instantly playing. Can we also play some normal music CD-ROMs? Let's push it inside. By the way, it has added automatically this drive here. I didn't do that manually. If it doesn't start playing automatically, just double click here on this DVD-ROM. Yeah, I can hear that playing nicely on my headset. Of course, I can't play this here for you because of copyrights. Now let's also try with a DVD movie. Has opened it automatically. Of course, also can't play this video here, but you can see absolutely awesome. Also super fast access everywhere. And I've been playing it a little bit for me. Worked absolutely awesome. Didn't have any problems with country code so far. If there should be a problem, just right click, hit properties, hardware, properties again. And then you have this region setting. As far as I know, you can change it only 5 times. That's international standard, has nothing to do with this DVD-ROM. But till now, I didn't have to do anything. That's awesome. By the way, here we have also an eject function on the File Explorer. Let's see if that works with this drive. Oh yeah, worked right away. But of course, I want to push it back here. And so let's see if we can also burn or write files to an old CD or DVD-R. I mean, it's 20 years old. I'm not sure if you can still use that. but I think a lot of people have them still around, and so why not? And so I have some files here on the left side, DVD on the right side. I have already some files here, adding now a second one, and you can see it's burning really fast. I mean, it's not a super large file, but it has definitely a decent speed. I can hear that it's working, but it's definitely not loud. Ejecting the DVD now. So it's finishing the burning process. I think that's very important to do, otherwise other computers can't read that. And so it looks like it has finished the DVD-ROM. So let's push it back and see if it has been writing successfully. And here we go. You can see that here a large file, even more than 1 gigabyte. Here the small file. And when we double click, you can see it starts playing absolutely awesome. So it has been doing a great job here on playing music CD and movie DVD, even from another country. Also been playing all my self-burned DVD ROMs and even some other stuff. Didn't throw any errors or so, has been working absolutely awesome. That's what I really like, because with a lot of other DVD ROMs or CD ROMs, especially external ones, I had huge problems, has always been showing a lot of errors, especially with old media. Here I didn't have any errors, so error handling is absolutely awesome, very reliable. And what I also like is USB-C, which is providing enough power for everything. With some other DVD readers, writers, I had huge problems with the power. I had to use additional cables, no problem here. So I would say full recommendation from my side. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. It's actually a pretty cheap one, I would say, and still feels actually pretty solid. So I think it's a really good option. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this DVD writer, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.